Hi there, my name is Flo. I'll walk you through our quick and easy process to set up your virtual office. As long as you have your documents prepared, the process is incredibly smooth. It'll only take 15 minutes at most, so make sure you have these ready. A valid ID, a company extract showing the UBOs and shareholder structure, and a proof of address no older than 3 months. Got those? Great! Let's search for a preferred city and look at the details to get you officially started. With over 4,000 locations worldwide, you're guaranteed to find a professional presence that suits your business perfectly. You can explore the map or simply use the search bar to find your preferred city or area. Once you've selected a location, all the available services will appear right on its page. While we offer everything from co-working and meeting rooms to full office rentals, let's focus on the virtual office for now. A virtual office gives you a professional business address without the high costs of a traditional office. It's your all-in-one solution. Use it as a registration address for the Chamber of Commerce, or use a mailing address to receive mail. You are in control. Choose your preferred mail handling instructions and add professional phone services if you wish. And if you're curious about the logistics, you can check the infrastructure details for info on parking and public transport in the area. If you're satisfied with the location, you can proceed to the checkout to configure your order. This is where you can add the telephony services if you like. You'll see all costs update instantly in the overview on the right. No hidden fees, just total transparency. Continue by filling in your basic information. Please let us know if your company is already established or if you're still in the process of setting it up. Next, complete your billing details. Simply select your company name and enter your registered address here to ensure your invoices are correct. Regarding your deposit, you can simply pay the full amount directly, which is twice the monthly price of your selected services. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to keep your initial costs low, you can choose our deposit arrangement with a small monthly fee. To wrap up the checkout, just select your preferred payment method, like credit card or direct debit. Once you hit Confirm and Pay, we'll start setting up your digital environment. This only takes about 30 seconds, so please stay on this page while we get everything ready. Success! Now you've entered the activation process. This is where we finalize your compliance. You'll be asked to provide documents to verify your business structure and UBOs, along with a proof of address. First, create a password for your new Flexado account. Once that's set, we'll map out your company structure. Simply upload your business extract, and our system will automatically do the heavy lifting for you. If your company is part of a larger group or has a holding above it, don't worry. The system intelligently identifies these layers and will guide you through until every UBO and the entire structure is clearly mapped out. Next, you'll answer a few additional questions based on your profile. These are in line with the anti-money laundering regulations to ensure your business stays fully compliant. It's a dynamic process, so the system only asks what's relevant to your business profile. Next, we need to verify your residential address. Please enter your private address details first, followed by an official document to confirm them. Make sure your document clearly shows both your name and address, and ensure it's no older than 3 months. A recent energy bill, bank statement, or government letter works perfectly. Simply upload your document, and our system will cross-check the address to ensure everything is in order. With that settled, it's time to start the identity verification for each UBO to finalize your application. Please make sure you have a valid ID, like a passport or driver's license. You'll be guided through our secure verification tool to scan your document and confirm your identity. You will be asked to capture a photo of your document, then take a selfie to finalize the verification process. Once that's completed, our team will perform a final review. While we do that, you can already set up your preferred mail instructions. If everything is in order, you'll receive your agreement by email and gain full access to the Flexado portal. As soon as you log in, this is what your new business environment looks like, and I'll show you exactly how to navigate it. On the left, you'll find a clear overview of your registered companies. We're currently in the Scans tab, where you can easily browse through all your digital mail. You can view any document directly or download it for your own administration. Once a file is downloaded, it'll automatically appear in your Downloaded Scans tab, keeping your workspace neat and organized. Next up is Company Settings, which is divided into 4 convenient sections. In Company Details, you can update your basic information, select your industry, or add an additional contact person for your business. Moving to Payment Method, you can easily update your billing details whenever needed. Under Invoicing, you have full control over your invoice settings to match your administration. And finally, in the Users tab, you can grant colleagues or partners access to the portal so they can help manage the account. Now let's move to Mail Settings. This is where you can customize your mail instructions for each specific location. Whether you want your mail scanned, forwarded, or held for pickup, you can easily adjust your preferences here to ensure your correspondence is handled exactly the way you want. Now let's look at My Services. This page gives you a clear overview of the services you're currently using, including their status and costs. If you need to adjust or cancel your plan, you can do so via Change Subscription. If you want to move your business to a new city, click here to be directed to our location overview. Here, you can browse and select a new business address just like you did during your initial setup. Back in the overview, you can easily expand your setup. If you need an additional postal address, just add it here. We'll guide you to the checkout to choose your new location, and you'll receive the invoice for this new service by email. Finally, you can also add a trade name. In this simple view, you can enter the name you want to use and immediately customize its specific mail handling instructions. We want to make sure your various business identities are managed exactly how you need them. Moving on to Invoices, you can view, pay, and download your outstanding bills. Once settled, they're automatically organized into a separate tab for your records. Lastly, the bottom section is where you manage your communications and personal settings. Under Messages, you'll receive updates directly from the location, like notifications for new scans or mail ready for pickup. You can respond instantly with quick chats, and we'll send you a daily email summary if any unread messages are waiting for you. Need quick assistance? Click on Support to chat with me, Flo, your 24/7 AI assistant, here to answer your questions or create a ticket for our team. Lastly, in the Profile tab, you can manage your personal login details and change your password. And as an extra feature, you can now toggle to dark mode if you like. And that's it. You're now fully set up and ready to make the most of your new business environment. And thanks again for choosing Flexado.